Hey guys, welcome to The Science Kid. So this is my YouTube channel. So yes, this channel is about science, but don't click away. I try to make this as humorous as possible. So I try to crack scientific jokes whenever I can to make this as enjoyable for you and me while I am recording. Now, in this channel, I talk about physics, I do scientific toy reviews, I do all kinds of experiments, I did a science camp over the summer, I talk about photosynthesis, how to get rid of mosquitoes, because those are pretty pesky bugs, and I just do tons of stuff about science. Now, this channel, on top of all that, is for everyone. So even if you're a year old or 100 years old, it doesn't matter. This channel is perfect just for you. So make sure to subscribe, hit that bell to be notified whenever I let out a new video, and I'll hopefully see you in my next video. Make sure to enjoy.